cyber security skills. Using an antivirus software. Priya keeps on purchasing new electronic gadgets and has recently purchased a laptop. She has also taken broadband internet connection at her home so that she can use internet on her laptop. While working on her laptop, Priya observed that her laptop's disk suddenly gets full and she cannot find the files that use up all the disk space. Priya gets upset and calls Kedar.
Hi Kedar, how are you? Sorry to disturb you on Sunday.
No problem, Priya. Tell me, what are you doing?
My new laptop is showing low disk space error. I had never saved any data on my D drive. But I am not able to find which files have suddenly taken up my disk space. Also, speed of my laptop is drastically reduced.
First of all, tell me, which antivirus software are you using currently?
No, I have not installed any antivirus software on my laptop. My friend says that antivirus software slows down your PCs.
Oh no, it is not like that. I think your laptop is virus infected and needs to be scanned using a good antivirus software.
Every user must ensure that antivirus software is installed on the machine and the same is updated regularly. In the absence of antivirus software or its regular updation, the computer can get infected immediately after connecting to the internet or while using any external devices. Antivirus software is a program or set of programs that are designed to prevent, search for, detect and remove software viruses and other malicious software like worms, trojans, adware and many more. Always remember, antivirus software like Avast, Avira, etc. are freely available for downloading and use. Make sure that you maintain the latest version of antivirus software and ensure to keep it up to date with the latest antivirus definitions. Always use antivirus scan feature for your hard drive, storage devices and other files to prevent viruses and malware infection.